It's a very large centre, the BCMS. It's going to be able to provide over 1,000 places every year through healthcare professionals through to fully qualified doctors. And this is really important for NHS workforce.
There are so many challenges in the NHS at the moment, and one of them being around our staff, and our staff are everything to us, but there's just never enough of them. Staffing in the NHS is really hard. We have the brilliant benefit of working with the University of Bolton. They provide staff training for us, they provide nurse training, midwifery training, AHP training, and now we're looking to expand that even further into doctor training too.
We are hoping that we will be able to take the first intake in September 25, and that generally means a period of 2 years when medical students will have what we call as non-clinical training, and after that they will have placements in hospitals within the region. And we have partnered already with 4 hospitals, with Bolton, with Wigan, with Blackburn and Preston.
Facilities that the University of Bolton provide currently, and that will be in the medical school, are state-of-the-art simulation as well as the normal education, so that people can be educated safely using AI and using dummies.
The doctors that we will be producing, they will be scholars and scientists and academics, but we also will have a very strong focus on producing doctors that are compassionate, that know how to interact with patients, showing dignity and respect.
The building itself is phenomenal. It's ginormous. You can actually see the new medical school from the top of Winter Hill if you go up. Facilities inside, including the lecture theatres, including all the abilities to create meetings, training and education. It's just going to take us to a different level.
This project for the medical college is probably the biggest project we're likely to see in Bolton for many, many years. It gives us an economic regeneration element to it as well as a clinical regeneration element, because working together with the hospital and the local authority and our other partners in this particular project, what we're able to achieve here is an integrated approach to care so that we can ensure that people in the community access care at the right time and at the right level.
We have a really broad breadth of communities that we need to serve, and it would be even better to have people who understand those communities being trained and educated to be able to work in Bolton to provide the right services. Our staff are our best advocates, and they also educate and train their families. So having local people working in the organisation is a big, big win and is a virtuous circle.
And the great thing about this project, of course, is then it creates wealth for the whole community of Bolton and brings in additional spending and additional visitors to the town. So it's a win on every count thanks to the partnership that's happened here.
We look forward to working with all of you, with all our stakeholders across the region in delivering on this historic initiative.